Top 25 Informatica CDI interview questions and answers.
Questions 1 to 4. Question 1. What is Informatica Cloud Data Integration (CDI)? Answer. Informatica CDI is a cloud-native data integration service that helps organizations move and transform data across on-premises and cloud systems. It is part of Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services and allows you to design mappings, tasks, and workflows. Unlike traditional ETL tools, CDI is fully managed, highly scalable, and supports seamless integration with modern cloud platforms like Snowflake, Redshift, and BigQuery. Question 2. How does CDI differ from PowerCenter? Answer. PowerCenter is legacy on-prem ETL and CDI is modern cloud-native flexible scalable integration platform. Question 3. What are the main components of Informatica IICS? Answer. The main components of IICS are Cloud Data Integration, Cloud Application Integration, Data Quality, API Management, and Secure Agent. Question 4. What is a secure agent? Answer. A secure agent is a lightweight service in IICS that securely connects on-premises and cloud data sources and executes integration and transformation tasks. Questions 5 to 8. Question 5. What are mappings? Answer. A mapping in IICS defines the flow of data from source to target with the required transformations. It's a design object. Execution is done via mapping tasks. Question 6. Explain mapping tasks. Answer. A mapping task in IICS is an executable object that runs a mapping. While a mapping defines the data flow and transformations, the mapping task is what actually executes that mapping to move data from source to target. Question 7. What is a task flow? Answer. A task flow in IICS is a workflow that orchestrates the execution of multiple tasks, including mapping tasks, email tasks, command tasks, and more. It allows you to control the sequence, dependencies, and conditional logic of task execution. Question number 8. Difference between mapping and task flow. Answer. Mapping focuses on data transformation logic. Task flow focuses on task orchestration and process automation.
Questions 9 to 12. Q9. How do you monitor CDI jobs? In CDI, jobs are monitored via the Monitor tab, where you can track status, execution details, logs, and alerts. It helps ensure jobs run successfully and troubleshoot failures. Q10. What are transformations in CDI? In CDI, transformations are operations that modify, clean, or manipulate data as it moves from source to target. They define how data is transformed during ETL. Examples are filter, joiner, lookup, aggregator, expression, router. Q11. How do you handle errors in CDI? In CDI, errors are handled via error logging, reject links, and task-level error handling to capture or notify about failed rows. Q12. What is Pushdown Optimization? Pushdown optimization is a technique where transformations are pushed to the source or target database so that the database executes the logic instead of IICS. This improves performance by leveraging the database engine and reducing data movement.
Questions 13 to 16. Explain parameterization in CDI. Parameterization in CDI is the process of using variables or parameters instead of hard-coded values in mappings, mapping tasks, or connections. This makes workflows flexible, reusable, and easier to maintain. What are usable objects? Reusable objects are components created once in IICS that can be used in multiple mappings or tasks. They save time, ensure consistency, and make maintenance easier. Examples: reusable transformations, maplets, connections, task flows, worklets. How do you secure data in CDI? Data in CDI is secured via encrypted connections, secure credentials, secure agents, and access controls to ensure safe ETL processing. Explain incremental data load. Incremental data load is a process where only new or changed data since the last load is transferred from source to target instead of loading the entire dataset. This improves performance and efficiency. Use timestamps, sequence numbers, or flags to identify changes.
Questions 17 to 20. What are maplets? Maplets are reusable sets of transformations that can be used in multiple mappings. They help simplify complex mappings and promote consistency and reusability. Q18. Explain real-time integration in CDI. Real-time integration allows data to be moved and transformed immediately as it is generated rather than in batches. It supports low-latency, event-driven ETL for timely decision-making. We can use REST, SOAP connectors, and real-time streaming options. Q19. How does CDI integrate with cloud apps? IICS CDI integrates with cloud apps using pre-built connectors and API-based connections. It can extract, transform, and load data between cloud apps, databases, and on-premise systems. It supports SaaS apps like Salesforce, Workday, NetSuite, etc. Q20. What are common performance tuning techniques? Common CDI performance tuning techniques include pushdown optimization, partitioning, filtering early, bulk loading, minimize lookup caches, and optimizing transformations.
Questions 21 to 24. Question 21. What is IICS? Answer. Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, IICS, is a cloud-based data integration platform that enables organizations to connect, integrate, and manage data across on-premise and cloud systems. It supports ETL, real-time integration, data quality, application integration, and API management. Question 22. Explain linear task flow versus nonlinear task flow. Answer. Linear task flow executes tasks sequentially. Nonlinear task flow executes tasks based on conditions or branches. Question 23. How do you schedule tasks in CDI? Answer. Tasks in IICS CDI can be scheduled using the scheduler available in the web interface. You can set tasks or task flows to run at a specific time or date, recurring intervals, daily, weekly, monthly, based on events or triggers. Question 24. What are CDI limitations? Answer. Limited transformations compared to PowerCenter, limited on-premise connectivity, partial pushdown support, and challenges with high-volume real-time processing.
Question 25. Future scope of CDI? Answer. CDI's future is promising with cloud adoption, real-time integration, AI/ML-enabled analytics, and hybrid cloud support.
Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe this channel for such more informative videos.